Here's how you can make this timeline scrolling animation in Davinci Resolve. First, in Fusion, take a text note, then write the year, then hit enter and then write the next year. You can speed up the process by asking ChatGPT to write it down for you. Just copy it and paste it, then increase the size and go to the layout section. And from here, go to the first number you want to show, and at the first frame, add a keyframe. Then move some frame forward, and then before you add a second keyframe, select the text note and add a rectangle mask, and then position that mask, and then again go to the text note and increase the number, and then go to the next year. Once you're done, you will get an animation like this. Now let's make the animation smooth. Select the text note, and in the spline panel, then press Ctrl A to select all the keyframes, then press S to smooth the spline, and then press T. It will give you these options where you can make it much more smoother. Make it something like this, and then you will have this kind of smooth animation. Now finally, if you notice, the edges are very sharp, so go to the rectangle mask and increase the soft edge. Now finally, I can say Happy New Year everyone, and thanks for watching.